Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video titled "Nobody Was Expecting Her to Do This." I don't know what this is, but we gonna find out. And the video is by Bodycam Files. So yeah, they do some pretty they got some pretty good work, man. So we definitely gonna check out, you know, what they got going on, man. So let's get into it.
He's over there telling her to scream and telling her to stop.
When you say hit him, how?
With the car. Like she was about to run him over.
So she's following him? Okay.
Yeah, she was literally following him.
Okay. She tried to run him over with the car initially, but she broke a bottle over the back of his head.
I'm not pressing charges.
Have them take a look at you, boss. He just rinsed it again.
There's a deputy in front of me.
This is the shirt he was wearing.
They know from the very beginning.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
93-24.
Turn the car off. And then now you
Yeah, she probably a nut job, man.
gotta tell me what happened. Okay? Come here.
I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. No! You cannot come in my car!
Relax.
You cannot come in my car!
Stop it.
No, you cannot come in my car! And you have no authority to come in my car!
You need to come outside.
No.
You need to come outside and tell me your
No,
side.
I will tell you my story from inside my car.
No, you need to tell me
I'll
outside.
give you my car keys,
Okay,
bro.
let me have the car key. Let me have the car. Just relax. Listen. I understand.
I'll give you my car keys, bro. Okay, give me the car keys. No! Like, come on. Does that make sense? She's a whack job, man. I'm trying to tell you, bruh. She is a whack job.
I just want to talk to you and I want to get your side.
No, because you're still going to say it's my
Listen,
fault.
I'm unbiased. I need to know your side, dear.
Bro, I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. I'm so tired of it.
First floor. Hey, okay, first off, let's start off with this, okay? What is your name, dear?
I'm not telling you my name.
I need to know your name.
I'm not telling you.
I have to know who you are.
I'm not telling you.
I'm conducting an investigation. You have to
It's
tell
not
me
my
who
problem.
it is.
That's not my problem.
Okay, so then do you want to go to jail for not telling me your name?
I can't go to jail for
You
not telling you
can.
my
Yes,
name.
you can. Listen to me. I understand you're going through a lot right now, and it's probably a very, very stressful day. But you're going to get yourself in more trouble than what you need to if you don't get out the car and tell me what's wrong. It's either you get out the car or I have to remove you from the vehicle, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, okay?
No, because I'm tired of this. Like, I'm so tired. You look at me, and then this bitch is texting me horrible fucking shit. I've been abused, and I've been texted by a fucking random bitch you met last night. I'm tired.
But what happened today? What happened
I don't
today?
care what happened today.
What happened today, though? I need to know what happened today.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
what
I'm
happened
exhausted.
today, though?
I'm emotionally and mentally exhausted.
I understand.
I'm done.
But what happened today?
I'd rather be shit. It's fucking mental.
Okay,
It's
and
fuck.
we can do that. We can do that. But you said you'd rather be.
I want to go to work. I'm tired of this man abusing me, and then these fucking random bitches texting me. I'm tired of it.
What's your name?
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
What is your name? I need to know who I'm talking to. What's your name? And I understand that right now you don't want to give up any information, but you have to, because this is an investigation. And now it's not your choice. You have to give me your information. And that's what I'm trying to get you to understand. And so you don't get yourself in further trouble.
No, because you're already telling me I'm in trouble.
No, but so you don't get yourself in further trouble, right? And get unnecessary charges thrown on you that you don't have to. That's why I need to know who I'm talking to. So can I please have your driver's license? Please.
No, I don't have my driver's license.
Okay, well, what's your name? What's your name?
Can you talk to him? Tell him you're with me right now.
Who is this? Hello? It's somebody.
Yeah, he fucking hung up. Like a fucking bitch.
Call him again.
He's not gonna answer. He's not gonna answer.
Who is that?
I'll give you his name.
What's his name?
No, you need to talk to him.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're downstairs with the officer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I just answered because you kept calling me.
Okay, yeah. That's okay. We are here, so all's well.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
I didn't call you guys.
Can I
do any of that stuff.
I need to know who I'm talking to, okay?
No, because I'm tired of this victim blaming shit. Y'all always want to fucking blame the victim. I'm tired of it.
I've never met you before.
This is physical abuse and mental abuse. This bitch is texting me. Who is this bitch? I don't even know her. Why is she texting?
Oh my gosh, she's a whack job. So it looks like they're probably in a relationship. Old boy probably sleeping with chicks on the side or whatever, and she probably caught him or whatever the case may be. But never mind all that. What I want to point out here is that was a slick move by the cop. While he had her phone, she, it was one of them cases where you could keep your cards in the back of your as your phone case, and he got the ID while he was chatting with dude on the phone. That is an advanced like method right there, man. I like that's smart thinking right there. I like that, man.
Me. Why is she texting me?
You tell me.
I don't know her. Okay. I don't even know who she is. I don't even know her name.
What did she say? Huh?
I don't know this bitch's name and she's texting me. I'm getting physically abused and then this bitch is texting me? That's not fucking fair.
Give me 1 second. 1 second, okay? 10:15 or no?
I'm tired of this shit, bro.
So what happened today? So you met with Sean, and what did Sean say to you?
He was like, I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck. I never fucked this. I know you her. She's texting me. You her.
Okay. And so where were you guys at when you guys were talking?
We were on the staircase.
You were on the staircase, so you guys were talking. You get a text message. This was yesterday?
My key fucking scratched me. This is not fucking blood. This is my key scratched me.
Okay, so here, let me do this. I need to take photographs.
No!
You don't want
I don't want any photos.
You don't want photographs of your injuries?
No!
So how's that going to help you in court?
I don't want to go to court. I don't want to go to court.
But it's going to go there.
I'm not going there.
It's going to go there.
I'm not going there.
He's pressing charges.
He's not.
Yeah. Is he pressing charges?
He's not pressing charges.
Are you guys dating?
He's not fucking pressing charges.
How long have you guys been dating?
It doesn't matter. He's not pressing charges. I'm not fucking giving you any photos.
How long have you guys been dating?
Bro, like almost a year now.
And you found out some information, and that's what brought us to here today. You met up with him. Did you call him last night? Do you guys live together?
I've been trying to call him for 2 days straight, and this bitch has been texting me since last night on some fucking abuse shit. Oh, you're embarrassing yourself.
Okay.
If that was my man, he wouldn't be texting me. I wouldn't let him text some fucking random bitch, bro.
Huh? Colette.
Can I have my ID back, please?
No, you can't because you are under arrest.
No!
Yeah, I have to arrest you.
For what?
Because he's claiming a battery, so I have to put you in
No,
handcuffs.
like, let me call him first.
Okay, I will. I'll let you talk
Can
to
I
him.
call him
I
first?
have to do this, okay?
You want to leave all your jewelry in the car? Or you want us to take it?
Bro, can you not press battery on me, please? Like, they're arresting me, dude. Sean!
Okay, he's gonna hold the phone for you while we put you in.
They're arresting me. Can you tell them not to?
Here, watch out.
I'm not pressing charges.
Yo, what? First of all, what type of cops is this? Since when they let the victim and the and the abuser talk? At what type of stuff is this? if that was a guy, right? Let's say the roles are reversed, right? You think they would let the guy talk to the girl and say, hey, don't press charges. Don't press like you. That's got to be like coercing or something. Like you can't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like that. There's no way that's happening, bruh.
He's saying he's not pressing charges.
Here, give him the phone.
Bro, they're telling me he's not pressing charges.
Listen.
John, like they're literally fucking arresting me because of you, bro. I hate you. You have no reason to arrest me. He's not pressing charges.
Listen.
What?
Listen. And it's a domestic situation.
Bro, like I have to go to work. I don't know my work's phone number.
Okay, we'll set that up for you, okay?
You want to leave everything of yours in the car?
Do you have a family member that's close that you can call for get your
I
phone?
want to call Sean.
Wait, listen.
I want to call Sean.
Listen, we can't call Sean.
Yes, I
We
can.
can call him right now, okay?
Yes, I can.
Relax. No, don't
No,
do that.
fuck
Don't do
this
that.
shit.
Don't do that.
Fuck this shit.
Please don't do that.
I need to call
Please
Sean.
don't. Please
I need to call
Please don't do
Sean.
Give me a second.
I need to call Sean.
We'll make it happen. Just give me a second.
My
Please
God.
don't do that.
He said he's not pressing charges.
Put the
Like,
other
why
leg
are you fucking doing this?
Please stop.
My God.
Stop it. Stop it.
I'm so fucking tired of this shit, bro. I'm so tired of this.
Relax.
I want to talk to Sean.
You can't. Listen. You gotta stop.
See, hey, and this is for the fellas, yo. Listen, I know y'all like the toxic ones. That the toxic ones be the ones with that fire. You know what I'm saying? Listen. If you're a female watching this, then hey, don't listen to this part. But well, you know it's true too. But for the guys, yay, bro, I know. Listen, the toxic ones are the ones with that fire. But you could do better than this, bruh. Like you can't. She's acting. Look. This is crazy. This is and the joint that he probably messing with is probably like more sweet and mellow, calm, cool, collected. Like you know what I'm saying. And then when he go home, he gotta deal with this. Yeah, but that boy need a real stress reliever. You hear me?
You gotta stop. You gotta stop.
I want to talk to Sean.
You gotta stop.
I want to talk to Sean.
You gotta stop. You gotta stop. You gotta calm down.
I want to talk to Sean. Please, I just want to talk to Sean.
Okay, we'll get you to talk to Sean, but you gotta stop doing this. You gotta stop. You gotta stop.
He's not even pressing charges. Like, why are you continuing? Please, I just want to go.
We might have to just try to give her a call, see if she'll tell us where she's at, talk to us.
I just want to go.
Are you better now?
I just want to go. I just want to talk to Sean. I just want to talk to Sean.
Yeah, she a nut job, boy.
Put your lecture, please.
Yeah, Sarge, I think right now that's probably the best.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Just taking time to go. All right, sure. Somebody come to that phone.
I just want to talk to Sean. Please.
Okay, listen, we're gonna go in the
No,
back.
I want to talk to Sean.
Okay, I will.
I want to talk to Sean.
Come on.
We're gonna call him right
We're
now.
gonna call him
No,
in the
you're
car.
not. Please, just let me talk to Sean.
She went underneath the lights, so that's why she was talking.
I want to talk to Sean. Please. He's not even fucking pressing charges. Like, I don't fucking get this shit.
I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? But I need you to calm down, okay? Thank you. Here.
Pull it all the way up.
No, I don't want to fucking.
Stop.
Okay?
We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that.
Everything. She is. I want to get there, we can figure this thing out.
Nope.
Yeah.
No, let's keep it here for right now. Honey.
You don't care.
You haven't given us a chance.
I did. I tried talking to you.
Well, listen, then you started yelling and screaming and all that. You didn't
Because you
give me a
said I'm
chance.
being under arrest. I was talking to you. I told you what happened.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery, aggravated assault, and obstructing an officer.
Those be the ones with the fire. But you gotta think with this head, not the other head. You gotta think with this one. Cause this, she's a nut job.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.